What good is it if you have a K&N air filter or a performance air filter and you don't maintenance it? But how about this? How about if you have a catch can and you don't maintenance that? So let's open the catch can that we removed from this vehicle and let's see if we can show you. So Caleb has removed it because we want to put it back to stock. And then I'm going to take this out and we're going to see how full it is. All right, so the screen does get munged up and sludged up, and in the cold temperatures, it could freeze. So it's not really cold in here, but we're going to dump this out. Do I have something that I can pour this into? That'll give you some viewing pleasure here. How about this old bag? Does that help? Let's do that. But what good is this if you don't empty it? So it's empty now, only because I emptied it. It was probably never emptied since the original person installed it. So the moisture is still moving into the catch can, even though it's mounted higher than the PCV system. Is this all of the moisture and blow by in this thing? I would say probably not. There is.
This morning I did, yeah.
Where was this an overflow style?
That's unvented. It's
So-
not really good catch can design anyway.
Unvented. So that means once this gets full, that it could plug the.
You'll just go
Yeah,
back.
it can clog the PCV system and
Clog
cause
it.
engine failure.
So yeah, it could cause engine failure. But how stupid is this? Like,
Because then you're just sending straight oil straight right into
well,
your...
so it fills all the way up, right? And then it
Yeah.
can't vent the crankcase pressure through the PCV
Well,
system.
so it doesn't vent crankcase pressure really any better than the PCV system does. All it does is collect some moisture that was in the
Yeah. Dude, this was full like
Yeah.
that. I just.
It'll help with knock a little bit, but it won't really do anything crazy because it's not venting.
But the point of this video is if you have a K&N filter, you're wasting your time and money because you don't maintenance it. You see that all the time.
Yeah.
And then if you have a catch can and you don't know that this actually needs maintenance too, you could cause a bigger problem.
Yeah,
But you just saw there, I guarantee this has never been changed.
probably, yeah.
They probably checked it in a week and say, "Oh, there's nothing in there. It's doing a good job," not realizing that it takes a bit longer than
That's
that.
sludge in there, too.
That's what's going in your engine today.
Yeah.
That's GDI engines and VVTs and poor maintenance and cheap gas and overextended oil changes. Let me smell. Let me smell.
If you're putting a
Very slight,
gas odor,
very minimal.
well, if
Very
just
minimal.
in general, if you're putting a catch
Are
can
you
on your
keeping
car,
this?
I don't need it. Dude said he doesn't need it. If you're putting a catch can on your car, put a vented one on.
Put a vented one on in case that something
Well-
happens.
Well, and this doesn't really do anything for crankcase.
Well, it's relieving the pressure in the engine system through that.
Not really, because there's no vent on it. Where would that vent out? This is only good for OBD2 because if it's
I don't know.
because it would probably throw a lean code.
My
It might
if you
go-
look at my catch can system, it has two
Filters.
atmosphere
Yeah.
vents so that air can move in and out.
Mine has one atmosphere vent.
And if your engine is not a consistent,
And you have both going out. You don't have anything looped back into the
it's
intake.
not a consistent moisture system where the moisture is the same all the time. Ambient air, humidity, water in the fuel, oil, fuel dilution. It's a chemistry set changing constantly. And then, like Caleb said, this is not even venting the atmosphere, which is even another problem.
Well, yeah, but then you have to also think about the fact that this might pitch a code if you have a vented catch can on it.
Oh
Because
yeah,
that's
that might
technically
it
a
might
lean
have a
in the
lean
PCV.
code.
It would probably throw a lean code.
Huh. They do have an importance, but my importance
like,
is
on the
if
race
you're-
car
If
stuff-
you're not maintenance in it, what the hell are you doing?
Because on the race car stuff, we're tuned, so it's not gonna.
Yeah.
Because it just adapts with the sensors.